My name is Kendall Lang. I've been at Wolf for 2 years. I'm a project manager and I come from commercial and residential foundations and flat work. As a project manager, I am working directly with clients to build specifically community projects. So I'll address all of the site development from civil scope to private utilities, foundations, delivering of the houses and final connections, including decks and whatever touch-ups need to be done in the houses. As a project manager, I make sure that projects go smoothly. We don't always know what to expect. We need to coordinate whatever the end result needs to be with the customer or our subcontractors, Wolf employees or neighbors. A lot of times, there's some delicate situations that we need to navigate, and I am here to assist those situations. I am a scapegoat for anyone that needs a scapegoat.
Yeah.
I don't know, it's hard to describe what I do. I just make sure projects go smoothly, like the shortest, concise answer that I can make. My favorite thing about working here at Wolf is the people, getting the opportunity to collaborate with everyone, and having everybody at the table making decisions has been a cool experience to participate in. My favorite project to have worked on here at Wolf is a project that we did out in Westport for the lodge. Basically, it was a cabin community. I liked that project because of how quickly we were able to execute on it. I think we were all in about 3 months from planning the site development to closing on the units. At least planning the project from me taking it on was about 3 months, 16 units. It was really cool to see something go so quickly and so smoothly. Fun fact about me, I don't know. I tackle athletic challenges that I'm not qualified for. I mean, I've done some cool stuff. I've done ultramarathon, do some strongman competitions.
That's a good one.
Triathlon. I guess the reason that I do it is I like to do things that scare me just slightly, so I actually do them.
Do you have a favorite quote? And if so, why? Or a favorite book?
I don't have a favorite quote per se, but I have a quote that comes up on my phone every day, and that is from Arthur Ashe, and it is, "Start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can." For fun, I'm pretty basic, I guess. I enjoy running and lifting. Man, I can't think on the spot. 5 minutes before is, that's Wolf.
That's making the cut.
One thing I would like people that are interested in working at Wolf to know is that this will be the best job that you ever had. And that's one thing I've noticed from people who have left and come back, is that they realize what they had here. You have a lot of opportunity to do anything you want here. As long as you're motivated and driven, you can find your home here. So if you're interested or whatever, you could check out our website. I don't know.
Oh, that's right. I forgot to do that part, huh?
Look below.
But it's great that we put the
over there
on.
If you're interested in joining the team, check out our website.